guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you episode 2 of my spring clean. And as you can tell in my intro, you are in for a treat because I have switched up my room. And I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So if you are excited, go ahead and push that like button and let's just get on into the video. At the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, decorate with me videos, decluttering videos, any type of homemaking videos, I do that. So if you like that kind of thing, make sure you push that subscribe button. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19. So I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's spray, and I just wanted to make sure I got them really clean, these doll bowls. I've had them for a very long time, but I actually do go and actually wash them in the sink with soap and water so I can just kind of get the spray part off. But I just wanted to make that clear just in case anybody wanted to know.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another.
So if you're confused on why I'm only mopping just a little section of the bedroom, that's because in my episode 1 I was mopping the floor already, and I actually deep cleaned my carpet. So if you missed that, make sure you check out episode 1 of my spring clean with me. Hey guys, so I switched up my room. My mom walks in and said, "Courtney, what are you doing?" Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, let me just turn y'all around and kind of show y'all like my thought process. Okay, so here's the dresser, and it used to be on this wall, and this used to be over there. But I kind of like this better, not because two big pieces of furniture are sitting beside each other, because I don't like that, but it's huge. Like, that dresser is huge, and it just takes up so much space over here that I felt like it just, I didn't like it. And so this desk, I was actually going to see if I can find a smaller desk to go against over here, but then I moved this around. So I'm going to see how I like this first, and if I don't like it, I'm going to move this back over here and find a smaller desk to go back over there. But yeah, this is what happened.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is.
So this is going on week 2 of having my furniture this way, and I absolutely love it. And I know it's weird because of the two big pieces that are sitting right beside each other, but I'm just loving how open the space kind of looks, and so I plan on keeping it this way. Hopefully I won't change my mind, but as of now, this is the way I'm going to keep it.
Carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie.
So now I just got to figure out what I'm going to do with the space, or with the wall that's behind my desk, because now it's just a blank space. And I don't want to do a shelf there, just in case I end up moving my dresser back with the mirror. So if you have any suggestions of what I should do, maybe like pictures or a collage picture or something, just let me know down in my comment section. I would love to hear what you have. But this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to push that subscribe button. And you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is TheLifeOfCourtney19. We'll see you in my next one. Bye.